Hey, welcome to the show. Take a look at these beautiful bookmarks. There are 10 different bookmarks and 2 of each kind. On the back of these bookmarks, you will have a ruler, you will have your centimeter and your inches, and each bookmark comes with a beautiful cross attached to it. The cross is metal, and then it has a string attached to a nice sturdy card right here. So I really love these bookmarks and the beautiful sayings that they have on them, the beautiful Bible verses. Like this one, it says, "The Lord will guide you always," Isaiah. Here we have, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, lean not on your own understanding." I just love those crosses. "Lean, do all through Christ who strengthens me." "With God, all things are possible." Isn't that true? "Encourage one another and build each other up." "She is clothed with strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future." "Whatever you do, do it all for the glory of God." "Be strong, be brave, be fearless. You are never alone." We need to always remember that. "Pray about everything. Worry about nothing." Oh, I could definitely learn from that. And then we have, "We walk by faith, not by sight." These are really beautiful bookmarks. I think they would be great in your collection or as gifts. I'd sure appreciate it if you hit that likey button down below, and I hope you have a blessed day. Have a good day. Bye-bye.